Hey there, AI enthusiasts. Welcome back to All About AI Tech, the channel where we dive deep into the world of artificial intelligence and its impact on our daily lives. Today, we're talking about something that's been shaking up the workplace: AI's role in team dynamics and meetings. So, buckle up and let's get started. Picture this: you're in a meeting, and instead of scribbling down notes or zoning out, you've got an AI assistant like Otter.ai doing the heavy lifting for you. Sounds pretty cool, right? Well, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. While AI offers some amazing productivity hacks, researchers warn there are downsides to inviting AI to join in on meetings. Let's explore what's happening. You might be thinking, how could AI possibly be a bad thing in meetings? Well, here's the deal: if workers rely too heavily on AI to listen for them, they may skip the critical thinking process needed to truly understand key messages. For example, imagine a team member using AI to transcribe a meeting, but missing out on the context and nuances of a discussion about a 30% increase in sales targets. Sure, meetings might be cut shorter, but the understanding of those messages could be lost in translation. And that's not good for anyone. Now, let's talk about feedback. Many organizations try to cultivate a pro-feedback culture, and AI bots are jumping on board. Unlike a traditional worker, an AI bot won't get embarrassed or afraid to speak up. In fact, AI bots might soon be giving workers feedback on their virtual presence, like who's interrupting meetings and how often, body language, and even who's using exclusionary language. Imagine a tool like Vibe, which analyzes conversations and provides insights on communication patterns. Fascinating, right? But is it all good? As we settle into the new normal of using AI applications at work, researchers say we're beginning to see how AI tools will impact our conversational habits. These habits direct what we say and who we hear. So, the question is, are we ready for this shift in workplace dynamics? And how can we make the most of AI without losing the human touch? Finding the right balance between AI and human interaction is crucial. For instance, using an AI tool like Cogito to provide real-time guidance on empathetic communication can enhance customer service, but it should not replace human judgment. We don't want to lose the benefits of face-to-face communication and collaboration, but we also don't want to miss out on the incredible potential AI has to offer. So, how can we strike this balance? Share your thoughts in the comments below. To make the most of AI in team huddles and meetings, it's essential to establish some AI etiquette and best practices. For example, using AI to supplement note-taking rather than replacing human engagement could be a great starting point. Or setting guidelines for when and how to use AI tools during meetings, like only using them for specific tasks or timeframes. But what other practices should we consider? Let us know your ideas. As we look to the future, one thing's for sure: AI is here to stay, and it's going to continue shaping our workplaces in ways we can't even imagine. Think about how tools like Slack's AI-powered search function have already transformed the way we communicate and access information. So, it's up to us to navigate this new terrain and make the most of what AI has to offer while keeping our human connection strong. Are you ready for the challenge? Education and awareness are key to embracing AI in the workplace. The more we understand about AI and its capabilities, the better equipped we'll be to adapt and thrive in this new landscape. Take, for example, companies like IBM, which offer AI training programs for employees. So, let's keep learning, growing, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. And remember, stay curious and always keep an open mind. Thanks for joining us on this AI journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to All About AI Tech for more exciting content. Until next time, stay tech savvy and embrace the world of AI.